Hi, today's chapter is called Sound Color Melody, and that follows on from the same idea from yesterday, where a melody or phrase is split between two sounds to make it more interesting. But whereas yesterday depended on really fast melodies, so I used an arpeggiator, this one is about slower melodies where sounds have like a longer release time and they take more time. So this is the song I'll be working on, which is the one I started on day 3. And this is what it sounded like without changing anything. So the line that I'll be working on is this melody, which is central to this middle part of the song. And as you can see, like notes are pretty long, it has a long release time, and it fits what we need to do for this chapter. So just like yesterday, I copied that melody here and then just went about disabling some notes. So this is what it looked like afterwards. I started with the original sound and then skipped one and just replaced that with this sound here. So, and let me play you both sounds. This is the first one. And this is the second one. And now let's play them together. So you can see what's happening here is that they're just playing, each one plays a note, like they're shaking hands or handing notes off to each other. And the thing is and you can hear the release of each note while the other one is playing. So you can think about it as like fading in and out between two sounds instead of having them alternate really quickly. And now let's play them in the context of the song. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a way more subtle way of using two sounds to play the same melody, and I think it really works pretty well. So yeah, that's it for today, and I'll see you tomorrow.